Today I will be making a green screen with poster paper. A lot of people think that you need to get that $30, $100 green screen if you want to get some good background effects, right? Well, it turns out you don't need a proper green screen. All you need is either a wall or, in my case, some green poster paper. Now I usually will be filming with my phone, right? But it turns out I found an old camera that works great, so I recharged the battery, put in a memory card, and now we're rolling. This is the camera, by the way, if anybody's wondering. Alright, time to put it together. Okay, now I changed the lighting a little bit because I felt it was a bit off to have natural light and artificial light. The first one you need to know is how wide the wall is. I'm going to be using this wall right over here. I've already measured it. It's about 8 feet in height and it's about 10 feet in width. 10, maybe 9, maybe 10. Can't remember the exact measurements, but the point is, I have enough poster paper to cover the whole thing. But I'm not just going to stick it to the wall. I'm going to put it together so that it's easy to fold up and bring back with me to my dorm for when I go back after this reading week. First thing I'm going to do is take 3 of these, lay them out widthwise. Now I'm going to tape them all together. First thing you want to do is make sure you get a nice long piece of tape. And then you want to find a good spot where it's aligned, so right about here. Then you just want to put that piece of tape, just put it over, for starters, like that. Right there. Now once I applied the same amount of tape to this second and third piece over here, I'm going to flip them over and put another piece of tape on that side. That way it always sticks together and makes it easier for it to fold. Alright, that's 1/3 of it done. Now I just need to do with the other 6 pieces that remain. And we got ourselves a green screen. A little bit of an update. Instead of using long strips on both sides, what I've done is put the long strip on one side, and on the other side I put 2 sort of smaller bits. That way they all hold together and they don't come apart. Okay, I'm all done. There they are. I'll just move them out so you can properly see them. But yeah, there you go. 3 piles, each containing 3 pieces each. Really excited to use these in my Death Cure and my Black Panther review. So yeah, be sure to be on the lookout for that. Hopefully this gave you some insight on some DIY green screen. Best of luck to all the filmmakers out there and all the people who like to work with special effects.